Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and I got some tips and tricks on how to cook without recipes. So I like to choose a temperature and try to bake everything or roast everything on that one temperature. I like to use convection oven, and I like 375. Of course, convection oven is a fan that reduces hot spots by circulating air. And what I like about 375 is that it's hot enough for things to cook quickly, but not so hot that they're going to burn. You're going to have to be careful about your time. So let's say temperature says, recipe says, cook something for 45 minutes in the oven. Well, it might be a little faster, 375 convection. So I set the timer for half the time, check it, and then using that information, sometimes even set it for half the time again and again and again. And then I know the next time I make my chicken marsala in the oven that I know, oh, it's only taking 25 minutes and not 45. Hey, that's great. You just bought some time. Secondly, make sure you preheat your pan before you saute anything. Did you know that if you have a stainless steel pan and you put it on the stove and preheat it before you add your oil and your food, that it'll naturally be non-stick? You don't have to worry about the Teflon pans and all the different styles of pans that are non-stick. Even cast iron will stick if you don't preheat it first. So preheat your pan, and I like to just kind of hover my hand over the pan. I feel good heat radiating through. Add my oil, immediately add, let's say, the food I'm cooking, my mushrooms. That way you get that nice sizzle. It will reduce your cooking times. A lot of recipes are written to do that, but of course they have a long paragraph just saying preheat your pan, add your oil, add your food, and stir. All right, so I'm here at the Appliance Factory flagship location, and they've got everything in here. Check it out. Samsung. This is at Tuscan. I don't know if you saw it on the YouTube channel, but I unboxed this refrigerator. Talk about just how beautifully they package these things. I love the theater lighting, these gorgeous handles, and I love this color because it's not as dark as a standard flat black or a black stainless. Gorgeous. All right. Of course, check it out. Matching stove. Here we go. This new cafe line. What's cool is that you can customize these ovens with different color handles, different color knobs, and then this one is a dual oven. Right, so there's an oven down here and then another one up here, and I know for a fact you can get a turkey in there, and this is like the perfect Thanksgiving oven. And again, what temperature do I cook my turkey on for Thanksgiving? 375 convection. I like to get consistent with it. I was walking by, I saw this beautiful Jenny range. I had to stop and talk about it. This griddle here, it's like this non-scratch, no-stick griddle. And it's amazing. You can cook pancakes on it and bacon and steaks, and then you pour water on it. The steam just lifts off the dirt. Just wipe it down and you're good to go. So the only thing, just make sure you don't use metal utensils on it so you don't scratch it. But if you do, it won't rust because this chrome runs all the way through the material, making sure that you don't have rust spots like some of the other griddles out there. This is pretty cool. Thanks again, everyone, for tuning into my new series, Cooking Without Recipes. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.